The horizon awaits, Vikings. Let's get you flying. To this isn't even ready yet. I almost forgot the wings. I'm glad I checked my trolley. These wings will give you a dragon's eye view without all the chafing. Toothless, you forgot the wings! That is not a good thing to have. Hey, Mom! Yeah, this would be a great place to stop, you know. Stretch your legs, smell the sulfur, take in the shrapnel. So refreshing.
Uh-oh.
I'll tell you a sign. You really can't be here when these hit. Oh, not really. Take cover! I've only flown with a lot of dragons. Anytime you want to head out into the skies over Berkeley,